Dad.
Dad. Now
Your.
your our pop
Po.
po um
Awesome.
Awesome? What is that?
Po. It should be awesome. But he put possum. Even though I smell like sheep. You love Daddy? What's this? From Mama?
I think it's from Mama.
Ah. From Mommy. Ah. He said,
Cute, right?
let's read it. Said, dear love, I love all the happy and sad memories that we have made and shared together.
Hi everyone! It's Sunday and it's Father's Day. We're going to have lunch outside. And don't see
Later.
So we're here in River Bar. Last minute reservation na to. Munti ka pa kaming hindi tanggapin.
Three marching ants. There's 3 of them.
Maraming nagdadayong dahil it's Father's Day. Say hi! Do you want something? Huh? Do you want to order something? Huh? What's that, ate?
Baka peaceful din
Check it. Oh, give it this. You like it? Grab it?
Food.
Huh? And this is Daddy's food. Look! Happy Father's Day, Daddy. And this is my pasta.
Like it?
Hi, this is Sunday. Let's go, Riley. Oh. Dadaan ko na dito sa may playground.
Move away from there. Move. Don't push me now. Ready?
So ito pala ang caravan park. So ayan, pwede kang mag-park dito ng mga camper van for 10 euros overnight parking. And solo namin ng playground.
Daddy! This is dead! Daddy! This is dead! Calm down for me.
Let's go. Let's go walking. Mukhang uulan na naman. May dark clouds. Kaninang umaga, magandang weather. Medyo maaraw. Tapos, after na, it's already, anong oras na ba? After namin kumain, ito na, dark. It's already 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So, mag-walking tayo dito. First time namin makapag-walking dito sa part ng town. Dapat pala, Daddy, dito ka nag-park. Sure ka? Pwede dito yung lakaran?
No, Riley.
Maganda pala rito, Daddy. First time nating magano dito.
Oh, hold tight properly.
Kapareha ng jacket ni Riley, oh.
Yeah. You don't have your jacket, that's fine. Look at that kiddo. Yeah, but he's only wearing t-shirt.
See?
He still have jacket.
Ooh, pwede palang pumunta doon. Ha? Ano, Daddy?
Oh, Ollie!
May nagdo-doorbell sa
We're not
bahay.
in the house right now.
Yeah, we're not here.
Coming back how many hours?
After an
We're not
hour.
in the house. Ask her.
Yeah, we're not in the house anymore. About later.
Say later.
Later.
We're not in the house.
You miss us, Ollie?
Ollie, Riley miss you.
I miss you.
Maaraw sa phones, Daddy.
Ah.
Maaraw dyan sa ano eh. Camera.
Ollie's going away now. You hear it?
Look at the dark clouds. See? Uulan na naman.
When that view is okay.
I can do.
Swimming.
Fishing,
Ay, ano? Swimming.
No, I can fish here.
I want to go fishing.
Ano naman mga isda na huhuli rito?
Watch and learn, mommy. Watch and learn.
Yung kapitbahay natin merong ano, pamingwet. Next time we'll bring Elora here and Ate Malen.
Yeah, we bring Marshall here too.
I don't know.
Riley, come on.
Hi.
Riley.
Hi.
Riley, come on.
Ruben.
Yeah.
You can take a photo.
Where's Ate? Hi. You can go faster now.
I just love What's that?
Hi guys! So now pauwi na.
What's
Yan
that?
na. You say bye, Riley.
Bye, bye.
You say bye, baby.
What is that?
Pauwi na
It's a
kami
stick.
kasi
Why is
ulan.
taking it like go there but not selling?
Yeah. Ulan na naman.
I'm going to the toy shop.
Huh?
Toy shop.
No.
Where's the toy shop?
We're going to
No, not fair.
Okay, go.
Daddy's Day. It's Father's
Look at that grandmother there.
She's she cannot walk.
Mag-park
Can
ka
block. Came from
Came from Ken and Black. Ken Black. Two.
Huh?
tree.
What?
Okay, this side.
Huh? No, that's 20 euros. A lot of Barbie. It's a Barbie cup. Riley, that's 20. Why do you have a lot of toys?
Three.
Why 3?
Ready?
You promised me.
Yeah. Come on then, let's go. Give it to mommy. Come on, Apple.